We have our 3-tiered mobile storage cart. As you can see, it swivels around nicely. Front 2 casters have locks, so you can lock the wheels. Shelf here, here, and here. It's got the tool holders here and on the side. Plenty of room for other optional, accessories here, screwdrivers, stuff like that. It's nice and sturdy. Comes with the instructions, all the tools you need to put it together. I like the fact that it comes in a nice black finish. I like putting my radio up top. Just many different options for all your different tools. I think it's a good value.